Don't you call me Big Papa. Goulet.
Come on. Hold on.
Give me a good goulet.
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 Can you say goulet?
Give me a good goulet. Goulet.
All done good. Can you show mommy cowabunga?
Cowabunga.
Show me cowabunga. Show me. How do you do cowabunga?
Here we go.
Whoa, what do you say? Can you say cowabunga?
Can you give us a cowabunga? Give us a cowabunga. Go ahead, you can do it.
No, Daddy, I'm
Now you
just
say it.
drinking. Say cowabunga. That's. I don't even want to think about what's in that water.
Buddy, can you give me a good goulet?
Oh, God bless you.
Can you give me goulet? Nature. Goulet.
Cody, tell mommy.
Goulet.
All done, Goulet. Can you do cowabunga?
Huh?
Cody, can you say shout and whisper? Can you say shout and whisper?
Cow.
Shout. You have shout down. Can you say whisper? Can you say shout?
Cow.
And whisper. Good job. buddy.
Goulet.
I can wait.
All done, Goulet. Can you do one more cowabunga for Mama? Oh, wow. Can you say cowabunga?
And buddy, can
Good
you do a
boy.
goulet for Daddy, please?
Goulet.
Goulet.
Hey, CJ, happy Thanksgiving. Can you say happy Thanksgiving? Can you, yes, but can you tell me happy Thanksgiving? And can you tell me what does the turkey say?
Gobble, gobble, turkey.
Gobble, gobble, turkey. Cody, I love you. Love you.
Love you.
How much?
So much.
So much. And what?
Away.
All the way.